Factor of Streptococcus. It have two different type of virulence factor: surface virulence factor, secreted virulence factor. Surface virulence factor having MFT antigen, teichoic acid presented in the membrane of cell wall, then hyaluronic acid presented in capsules, immunoglobulin binding proteins, then group A carbohydrate, Landsfield antigen. Then secreted virulence factor, it having 6 different type of factors: phyogenic exotaxin, streptolysin S, streptolysin O, streptokinase, hyaluronidase, DNase and NADase. These are secreted by this group A Streptococcus. Then now we see about one by one. Surface virulence factor, first one is M protein. We know it is already presented in the membrane. It is presented in the cell wall. They are resistant to heat and acid. They have more than 80 variety of M protein. That adherence occurred by lipoteichoic acid and M protein complexes. Lipoteichoic acid LTA and M protein M complex occur only adherence. Then M protein associated with impetigo and other skin infection, which are different from those associated with pharyngitis. Then autoimmune condition also associated with M protein. Antibodies which is produced by M protein or cytotoxic T cell. It is secreted by group A Streptococcus, can reacted with cardiac myosin or basal ganglia neurons, leads to carditis or rheumatic fever. Then this antibody cross reacted with own body cells can causes autoimmune diseases. Okay, antibody cross reacted with own body tissue causes autoimmune diseases. Then antigen antibody complex leads to acute post-streptococcal glomerulonephritis in patient. That two condition, autoimmune diseases and antigen antibody complex, both condition are complicated to streptococcal infection. Then second protein, F protein. F protein bind to fibronectin component. It is presented in the human tissue. It stick to keratinocytes and respiratory epithelial cells. F protein express always occur when there is no M protein expression. That F protein expression occur more oxygen content and less carbon dioxide level in outside environment. That time only M protein expression is high. Then third one is lipoteichoic acid present at the cell wall of group A Streptococcus, help for the addition and mostly attached to the M protein. This lipoteichoic acid always attached to M protein. Then hyaluronic acid, it is presented in the capsule of this bacterium, help for the attachment to the CD4 receptor. It is presented in the human cells, more pathogenic in nature if capsulated. This when capsulated, that time only more pathogenic. Then Ig binding protein, these are structurally similar to M protein, bind to Fc region of human IgG or IgA. It will inhibited phagocytosis. Then group A carbohydrate always presented in peptidoglycan layer of cell wall. They are antigenic in nature but not virulent also. Then second one is secretory virulence factor. First one is phyogenic exotaxin. This one is previously called as erythrogenic exotaxin. It have A, B, C varieties. It also acts as super antigen. Super antigen means it will stimulate immune cells. That means macrophages. These macrophages will secrete interleukin 1 and tumor necrotic factors. Then it having A, B, C varieties. The A variety isolated from severe case of infection. Severe condition only we will identify that A factor. It will also causes scarlet fever and TSS, toxic shock syndrome. That Staph aureus also secreted TSS, produced TSS. This organism also produced when it will have super antigen, that time only. Then streptolysin S. This one streptolysin S means oxygen stable. It will survey that oxygen condition only. This one is non-antigenic in nature. That means don't produce any antibodies. Small molecular white protein. can see beta hemolysis on blood agar plate. It acts as bacteriocin. Whenever it will secrete that bacteriocin, it will kill bacterium. It grow on skin, normal flora only, but whenever it will secrete, it will kill that bacterium. Then streptolysin O, oxygen label, that means presence of oxygen will be inactivated. Oxygen means inactivated. This one is antigenic in nature. Then antibody, very much useful to diagnosis rheumatic fever and glomerulonephritis. That means this one is antigenic nature. That means it will produce an antibody. Based on that antibody only, we diagnosis that rheumatic fever and glomerulonephritis. Then one more ASO titer. That means anti-streptolysin O titer, very much useful for diagnosis of recent group A streptococcal infection. Fourth one is streptokinase. This streptokinase to dissolve clot in bypass surgery patient and cardiac patient break clots. That means streptokinase bind with plasmogen. This plasmogen is secreted by group A streptococcus. This plasmogen to form plasmin. This plasmin component only break clots, plus facilitate migration through host tissue. Then fifth one is hyaluronidase, help for break hyaluronic acid in connective tissue. Last one is NADase and DNase, used for breaking nucleic acid in host cell. Then epidemiology, group A infection affected all ages group but peak in 5 to 15 years age only. Then transmission, respiratory, direct contact and fomites.